Beijing Chongping Jialian School was established in 2015 with the approval of the People's Government of Chongping District, Beijing. Beijing No.4 Middle School's international curriculum is approved by the Beijing Municipal Education Commission.
HS Experiment Project.
Blending Chinese and Western Education. The program from Beijing No.4 Middle School combines high-standard American high school subjects with Beijing No.4 High School strengths, rooted in traditional Chinese educational values. To adapt to modern educational advancements, Jialian School collaborated with the Chinese Academy of Education Sciences in 2019. New AI courses from the Chinese Academy of Educational Sciences and the Family Union School added. The project's AI courses are created by leading experts in Chinese AI and organizational teaching, focusing on developing students' diverse skills and AI literacy. In March 2021, Jialian School was approved and awarded a qualification certificate by Cambridge Assessment International Education and will open Cambridge International A-level courses this year, and the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum, which aims to enhance students' international competitiveness in all aspects. It also prepares students well for entry into top foreign universities. The school implements closed management of accommodation, featuring small class teaching with a ratio of 1 teacher to 3 students, personalized courses, and AI classes. It prioritizes a student-centered approach and emphasizes integrating learning with real-world applications while nurturing morality and wisdom. Rooted in Chinese culture, merging global education principles, committed to providing top-notch education. Establish a strong base for developing talents in the modern era through innovative thinking, practical skills, and global opportunities.
Hello everyone, I am a sophomore student at Beijing Jialian School, and the teachers there are very kind. There was extensive support and encouragement, both in and out of class, with many foreign teachers hired by the school. By studying world history, American history, English literature and other courses, students can greatly improve their spoken English.
I was transferred back from abroad to listen to English. So I think for me, this school has both the ease of foreign and the rigor of China. And then I'm taking 2 courses right now. One is AP courses, and then one is an interest course. And then AP courses are chemistry, physics, American history, Caucasus, and English. And then I'm more interested in it now. Jusher Physics American History.
A campus college counseling course offered valuable information on U.S. university admissions. Secondly, the college counselor has provided valuable assistance with application planning, material preparation, essay guidance, and our school offers a wide array of standardized and well-managed club activities. There is a variety of sports including basketball, sports games, science festivals, and our unique hockey lessons. The drama club is a unique school feature, with theatrical performances at major festivals every Tuesday and Wednesday from 4:30 to 6 p.m.
We'll do it in the flower room.
Our club activities offer a great opportunity to immerse in the school's strong academic environment, where high requirements often motivate students to devote their spare time. Check your homework.
In 2020, 90% of our graduates have been admitted to the world's top universities. The class of 202 has achieved great results.
British and American Children's Voices bloom into place. From New York University to Boston University, from the University of Wisconsin-Madison to the University of Georgia, from the Ohio State University to King's College London.
Hundreds of boats compete for thousands of sails. Riding the wind and waves are sailing. They will walk from their homes to the star-studded academic shops and expand the boundaries of wisdom. Towards the vast dawn Humanities Academy, when the national responsibility, the spirit of craftsmanship. With the world, only then can teachers be satisfied. Students are satisfied, parents are satisfied. Jialian School in Chongping District, Beijing persistently pursues this goal. With our commitment to innovation, teachers and students of the Family Association are even more determined to advance internationally.